If you want to change keyboard language on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we can go to Settings. Scroll down in the Settings in order to find Additional Settings. Then over here go to Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and most likely you want to select the Gboard as this is the default keyboard on this phone. And then you can choose Languages. You can tap Add Keyboard in order to choose the new language that you wish to use. Let's say we're gonna choose French, so we're gonna also search for French. There we go. And then we can press Done after customizing, of course. So remember that you can customize it a little bit as well. So we can press Done. And there we go, we have added a new language. If you want to remove the old one, then we can press this pen icon in the top right corner, select the language that you don't want to use anymore, and then press this trash in the top right corner. However, if you prefer to use multiple languages at once, if you prefer to have them at once, then if you open the keyboard, you should be able to find this globe icon as it was highlighting just now in order to switch between different languages. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!